discover yourself. Realize where you need to develop. I am myself, I am not you. You know yourself better than I do. And you know where you need your personal development. I cannot tell you you need development on how to communicate effectively with people. Why what you need is how to manage your time. Let's say you're a student. You know you're very polite student, you know how to talk to people, you're not disrespectful. You don't need any development on that because you already have that. But you have a problem with time management. So you start to discover how to manage your time effectively. Your intentional personal development should be on time management. That is you discovering where you need your personal development. And number two is that you need a personal coach or a mentor. For some time now, I've been into coaching and I've coached many ladies both here in the country and overseas, online and offline. You also need a mentor, you need a coach. A coach is a professional. He's just giving you strategies, or she's just giving you strategies, helping you out to actualize your things. Your mentor is someone that you always run to at every point in time to tell him or her. You have a more friendly relationship, when you put it that way, with your mentor than your coach. Your coach can be just for a particular thing that you're looking at. Maybe you are trying to find out how you can set up a good business. Yes, technical, for instance. So you need a coach on that. Your mentor can be somebody that is very good. You take that person a lot. You know that if you talk to this individual now, anything you're telling her or telling him, those things are safe. Your secrets are safe with him or her. He's giving you good advice. Now, if it is a coach that you need for a business that you want to start, you get a coach who is into business, who is a business coach. Because you might be into business, but you're not a business coach. There are two different things. Set your boundaries right. Who are your set of friends for crying out loud? Your personal development is a life journey you have to take very serious, and you don't need any form of distraction on that. Now, if you want to be a musician, you need a group of friends that understand your musical dream, that can motivate you, not that can talk you down. Now, your friendship with your set of friends should not make you discriminate others. They are still human beings. So I don't like it when you say you're a church girl and every other person around you, they are devils, they are enemies, they are sinners. Like, it's only you that is righteous. Like, it's only that goes to heaven. I wonder how you're going to go about it. You need everybody though, but on different levels, different angles. You need to set your boundaries. This is where I need you. Like, this is your boundary. Because it's not everybody that is your friend that takes to your house. Some will go there and cause problem for you. Now, another thing you should do is be honest about your personal development. When you have started this journey of personal development, be honest with yourself to know when you're actually doing the right thing. Because the telling you that you are in personal development, you are working on your anger. Where tomorrow, if I talk small thing, you want to slap me. How are you intentionally developing yourself? You have to be honest enough to know that this thing I'm doing is not making any effect at all. Like, I'm not seeing any sign. Then you start afresh. Or is there something that needs to be done? You start doing it. Check yourself. Am I really seeing any improvement in what I'm doing? Is there any change in what I'm doing? Or am I still down to my old self? Like, I'm talking about me being a cry baby, and I started developing myself about that. Am I really seeing any change? Have I stopped crying, or am I still crying? During your personal development, this is something you have to be honest about. Your personal development needs you to be very honest with yourself. Now, being honest with yourself is very good. Now, another thing that can help you to discover really if you are developing yourself are your set of friends. That's what I'm talking about, you having a good set of friends. If you have a good set of friends, you can ask them, one of these days, Chamaka, Mary Jane, Shima, as a sister, you really notice any change? Am I really changing, or am I still my old self? Do I still cry too much? Or have I stopped crying? Or do I need to start crying again? Like, is my crying self more better than my not crying self? Now you see, if you have good friends, they will give you the right results. Now you have to have your own plan. Even as your coach is giving you a plan, have your own plan. Because you're not living with your coach. She's not living with you, you're not living with your mentor, you're living in your own house. So you have to have your own plan. What am I talking about? Have plans to attend programs like this. Have plans to read good books. Books that will help you to actualize your dream and meet your goal. Now this is not the experience for yourself, it's very, very important because they will help you with that of your coach or your mentor to become a better individual. Now when you do that in your house, when everything, all the works, all the house chores, all the school activities, assignments, blah blah blah, ends is around 7 p.m. Now your coach is telling you, Choma, you have to read at least one book a day. One whole book a day. How do you do it? When you need to rest, still dress up and go to school. You have to tell your coach the truth. See, sir, ma, I can't take one book per day. It has to be one book. Afternoon, yeah. Evening, yeah. 1 week, yeah. And then it's yeah. Now, how do you want to personalize them when you eat only one type of food? Not just that, you always at home. You cannot even go out. Chamaka, let Chamaka get someone. I don't know why you should forgive me. If you never Chamaka, I say hi. Nobody. Go to market. Let me give you money for bike. Go to your auntie's house. Tell her that I need her to come now. Let me give you money for bike. Okay. Are you going to school? Yes. Let's go to school. No, I cannot walk with you. I want to enter bike. Or you're entering bike. You want to call the rats because you're so fast. You will not be a good chef because you are not physically developed to know what to do at every point in time. Now it's important that we know that personal development helps us to be self-aware, have good self-esteem, achieve our aspirations and dreams. But remember, if you really want to meet your world, if you really want to be relevant in this world, then you must marry your personal development as a